Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ivan and I'm here with my cousin
Cheska.
Cheska. Now we're gonna do a simple holiday glam look, semi-glam. We're gonna do a very wearable light red smoky eye that you could use for your parties. So without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand as an eyeshadow primer. And I'm going to blend it with my ring finger left and right. After blending, I'm going to set it using the Morphe 350 palette, the very first eyeshadow you can see in the palette. And I'm going to adjust it all over the lid. So I went ahead and did the other eye off cam, and now we're going to use this color for the brow bone highlight to keep your brow bone poppin'. And now this color is kind of like a corally brown orange-ish shade that we're going to use for transition color. And we're going to blend it out in our outer V. And this next dark, not really dark, but light orangey reddish shade, you're going to merge it together with your transition color and blending it in. Just blend, blend, and blend. And still blending. And blending. And I'm going to use this shade of red all over the lid using a sweeping and pressing motion to get better pigmentation. Pigmentation? What is that? Pigmentation, sorry. And now as you can see, we have a lot of fallout. Well, not really a lot, but quite a bit of fallout. That's why we didn't use foundation yet. So we're gonna wipe it out with a wet wipe. And now I'm curling her lashes with the Face Shop curler. And I'm going to use the Benefit They're Real Mascara for lashes that are pretty much non-existent. Kidding, kidding! After waiting for the glue to get tacky for about 30 seconds or so, I'm gonna place down another pair of her falsies in the middle, then tuck the other ends in. I mean, it's a bit easier if you place it in the middle first and then tuck the ends in after. There you go. And then I'm gonna apply liner on the lash band so you can't see the lash band. Then put a teensy bit of wing. Not too dramatic. So, I mean, yeah, there you go. Then I'm gonna put a highlight on her inner corner and blend it out. Then for skin, I'm going to use MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC25 and 42 to get her perfect shade. And I'm gonna mix it at the back of my hand and put it on her face, on her cheeks. So as you can see, it's gonna be blended. You're gonna match the color from your neck. So yeah, after blending it with a beauty blender, you can see it's now blending it with the neck. Yep. Then I'm gonna put it all over the face and blend it out using the beauty blender again. This is actually my favorite foundation because of its coverage and finish. I mean, it's full coverage, but it looks so natural. So yeah. And then for concealer, again under the eyes, we're using the Maybelline Fit Me, and we're gonna highlight down the eyes, and then we're gonna put it at the sides of the nose sides of the mouth and cheek because we really tend to get really dark around those areas. So I'm using the shade 20 again. And now in the forehead, bridge of the nose and chin to put forward those features. And now for cream contour, we're going to use this concealer from MAC. We're going to get this shade that is not too warm, not too light, not too cool, sorry. And we're going to put it at the hollows of her cheeks and blend it out using a beauty blender. I mean, you could also use your finger to blend if you want. Yeah. And then we're going to set this whole thing with this Nichido final powder under the eyes and at the sides of her face and everywhere, especially the T-zone. I love this powder. This powder is so affordable. It's from Philippines and you guys should check it out.
A few moments later.
And I went ahead and did the brows and I used the Intuit eyebrow powder. And I'm gonna dust it all off after baking, but not for, I didn't leave it for a long time. Just 4 or 5 minutes probably. And now I'm gonna use a different powder in a bit. Here we go. And this one is from Max Factor and I'm gonna dust it all over her face. It gives a very natural, it has a slight shimmer and it's translucent. And then we go to contouring using NARS Laguna bronzer. And shout out to Miss Yurika Isong for gifting me this bronzer. I love this bronzer. And then we go to blush. We're gonna use once again NARS in the shade Orgasm. And I'm gonna blend it with the bronzer or the contour that I put. I'm also going to sweep it across the cheek and the top of the nose for a flushed effect. And I'm gonna do the nose contour using this pale brown that we have in the palette and just sweep it across the sides of the nose. We're gonna start at the beginning of the brow down to the tip of the nose and make a U-turn. I'm gonna put a bit of Laguna bronzer as well. And I'm gonna highlight. This highlight I'm gonna use is from the Balm, the Mary Lou-manizer. I'm gonna put it on top of the blush and also the brow bone. And then I'm gonna put WetnWild's Precious Petals on top of them. At the tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, nose bridge, and top of the lip. Now for lipstick, I'm gonna use WetnWild's Give Me Mocha Liquid Catsuit. Then for a pop of highlight on the lips, we're going to use Estee Lauder's Pure Color Lipstick in the shade Vanilla Truffle. And just put it on the center of the lips. Lastly, we're going to finish the eyes using the highlighter, and we're going to be back for the final look. So guys, this is the finished look, and we hope you like it. And please do comment down below what you think we should do next on our next video, on my next video. Or, yeah. So,
give it a thumbs up.
Yeah, and subscribe,
It's
and like, and share.
It's his first video, so
it's my
I'm
first ever
supporting.
video.
He's my cousin, by the way. Guys, let's clear that out. He's my cousin.
I'll link her IG page down below, or her link down below. She doesn't have a YouTube, but she's gonna have one soon, so yeah.
Follow us, guys, and yeah.
Yeah, follow us down. So yeah, that is my holiday simple glam makeup look, and I'll see you in our next video, or in my next video. Bye guys.